Good morning, everyone. Asha here from Pandamonium. We are in Slab City. It is a beautiful day today, and a lot more people have gotten here, but also a few people have left. Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning. Good morning.
Good morning, Angel. How are you today?
Good. Good morning, Mr. Grunty Pants. Good morning, y'all.
Hi.
Hello, young lady. How are you?
Good. Good morning.
Well, good morning. How are you?
Good. Good morning. What is this? What's going on here? Y'all going to East Jesus?
We're going to East Jesus and Points Beyond.
Cool.
Good morning, Asha.
Good morning.
How are you this morning?
Good.
How did you enjoy the sandstorm last night?
It was sandy.
Yes.
Good morning. You packing up to leave?
Mm-hmm.
Aw.
I'm going to Riverside.
Yay. Well, it's been fun hanging out. Good morning.
Morning.
Albie. It's the short version.
Of Asha Lee Burger.
Yeah,
Albie. I'm gonna need you not to kidnap Moo-moo, please, if you decide to leave.
She'll fit.
Totally off work today.
Yeah, she's small, and you have a small caravan, so. It seems like we're gonna be going to East Jesus. I've been already. If you're interested in the last time I went, you can hit the link. And there are some people that are going to be hiking. Some are driving. I'm gonna ride with Dana because she doesn't know how to get there, so I'm gonna show her how to get there, and then I'm gonna probably hike back with them afterwards. But I've already shot East Jesus, so I won't probably shoot too much, although there is a tree house there, and I've never been up in the tree house, so I'll probably show you that and show you the view. Y'all have fun. We'll see you there.
Here we go. It's all about you. It's all about me. It's all about what we do. Making art, you and me. Trying to find something to believe, because I'm running wild, I ain't running free. Still got a lot of shit left to see. Stuck in this town, and the town's stuck in me. Always trying to find another reason to leave, but we sit at home, all alone. Hoping one day I'll never.
Hey, Banjo, what you doing? Hey, Banjo.
Trying to do.
The plane. Asian foot power.
Woo! You got dinner for wolves.
Yay, I'm dinner for wolves.
Okay.
Yes.
Makes sense now.
Yes, now, we have the benign pirate ship the kids can climb on, have a good time.
Up from the ashes, up from the ashes. Grow the roses. Yes, grow the roses, the roses. Grow the roses of success. Yes. Somebody's got stuck.
So wouldn't this be the best fort ever?
Yeah.
Moo-moo, are you gonna drive the big boat on wheels?
We have a bowling alley. They can bowl. All we ask is put the pins back where they were.
Okay, let's
I
see.
think the trick is to avoid like the holes and ruts and everything. So
Yeah, there's a lot of
put the
those.
Nomadic Fanatic twist on it. Pull down the edge.
Oh, so close.
That's an easy pickup though.
All right, you might want to watch your head. Here he comes. Uh-oh. Oh. Go.
Oh, 3 left. That was awesome, Aja.
Thank you, Ethan.
You're welcome.
Okay.
Then we have the 12-foot high seesaw that works.
Oh, neat.
We have the cheese grater slide.
We'll cut them and then cut them up to the other side. That's what
Ew. Come on. Go slide down.
Yeah. I didn't do nothing bad. Yes.
We have sharp, rusty objects for toddlers to climb on.
Exactly.
Possibly impale themselves on the way down.
Awesome.
I think this is the worst swing set ever. That would hurt.
We have the monkey bars of 1,000 cuts.
Yes.
That sounds painful.
Refrigerators with doors on them, self-explanatory.
Yes.
Then we have the 3-story unsafe observation deck.
I went up there.
3 stories high.
Right there.
Time. climbing net rope on the left side. You can climb up. So it's you. You can be adventurous.
Hey, people way up there.
Why?
So there's two ways up the treehouse. There is the rope. And also a set of stairs that go all the way up. Okay. Try not to hit my head. I wouldn't call it all that now. Fearful leader, yeah, that's more like it. Okay. Hello, lady.
No!
Wow. Pretty cool. And there is East Jesus and all the stuff. And we're camping way over there. Come on, climb up!
Roll down.
Yeah, no. Did you climb up or did you?
I came up the stairs.
Oh, you did. Me too. So.
Because I'm still sore.
So if you're scared of heights, this is probably not the best place for you. Oh, there goes Kevin. Hey, kitty. Okay. Wow, narrow set of stairs. Are you coming up?
No,
Oh.
I don't think Ken will make it up those stairs.
Someone could always watch him for you.
I'll be okay.
Take off.
Hitch and ride with pig.
Yes, so we're hitchhiking with a pig in the car. It's the first time we've ever ridden with a pig in the car. How do you feel about that, Kevin? Oh, you do? Okay. All right, well, we will see you back at base camp.
There's a fork in the middle. I love that it's East Jesus and West St.
Yeah. What's this thing?
Everything we just got me with stuff. Cause we're trying to fill the holes in our souls. Trying to feel the music, let it take control. Stuck on the bottom, trying to feel on top. Wishing everything would just come to a stop.
Attack dog from Slab City, aren't you?
She is. She's gonna gnaw your ankle off.
Slab City.
That's about as high as she can reach.
That's it. Did
Yep.
you take on any of these other dogs out here yet? There's a pretty tough pack here.
Well, actually, 2 years ago. Well, sorry,
watch
not
it.
2 years. Last year, she got chased by 2 dogs, but she's pretty quick. Yeah. So.
There's some, you know, some of the dogs out here aren't that friendly.
Yeah, this is true. We've already experienced
I don't
them.
know what kind of shots they've had. Probably not.
Right. But as soon as she came running by me, they kind of backed off.
Yeah.
So.
I don't have a treat for you.
Bye.
Bye.
Be careful.
Thanks. See you soon.
Okay. Have a safe trip.
Thanks.
Nighttime is upon us here at the Slabs. A lot of people have a misconception that it's really scary. We're in the lowest part of the slab, and it's nothing but RTR people. There's probably over 100 RTR people here, so it's pretty safe. We have fun. There's nightly fires, and we just enjoy each other's companies and have some food and stuff. So, yeah, let's see what's going on at nighttime. What are we doing, ma'am?
Nothing. Being a good girl. Walking away.
That doesn't sound like something a good girl would say. So they have a little cute fire going on in this camp. Although I'm not feeling the cans, but they said they had a spot for them, and I guess they'll clean them up after. She's got her cool lights on here.
I love babes.
This is awesome. I like the inside too.
It's so
That's cool. So you got it all worked out?
Yeah.
They're working well. Did you hook them up to 12 volt?
No, not these
yet.
guys.
Okay.
Nope.
Yes, feel the heat radiate from the aluminum cans. Hello, strange people in the dark. How are y'all doing?
I had this one headlamp on, and I could go red or white. and I had it on
Red.
red.
And you were blinding me.
The one I collapsed.
Well, because you had it right in my eyeballs. I was like, I'm going to need you to remove your light from my eyeballs.
Neil said too, you need to turn your light down. Now I understand why.
Yeah, just like this. There you go. At the feet.
Yeah.
Y'all have a good night. So, yay, you just got here.
Got here in the night.
Was it as bad as you thought it would be?
Not at all. You know what helped is there was some signs along the side of the road that said Slab City, and you know there was just,
Welcome.
Yeah, and it makes you feel welcome, and so.
So it wasn't scary at all.
No, not at all. And then I just kept picturing it being a lot smaller than it is, and all these people living off grid, and you know, I have medically fragile children, so I'm thinking. There's no sewage system here, so I was a little bit concerned. I think more for the.
But there's actually a dump right in an island, which is 2 miles away. So.
I saw that,
and also water for $2.
Yes, I saw all that, and so that made me feel a lot more comfortable and.
Yeah, it's, a lot of people get a misconception in their head of, oh God, there's, those dirty kids and blah, blah, blah. But it's, it seems to be a wonderful place. What about you, girl?
I love it. It's one of I would say it's probably my favorite place so far.
Is it really?
We've been doing since October, October, and
it's more free than regular because you don't have a limitation like BLM of 14 days.
Right. You don't have that anticipation of leaving. Like, even though we're gonna leave, it's not like you have to. You're like, I can't put out my awning. I can't do this because we're just gonna leave in a week or two. So.
Right.
But yeah, and then there's always stuff to do like. Salvation Mountain. I could go back to East Jesus and still see.
I know. I went twice. This was my second time I went, and I experienced it totally different than I did the first time. So.
For sure.
Well, thanks, ladies.
You're welcome.
So I'm definitely not trying to make light of the situation. I know this is the Slabs, and I know bad things can happen, but that's true for anywhere you go to. You can experience bad things almost anywhere you go to. You just have to be careful and aware and cautious. So I just installed a new LED blue light that goes across my awning, which is pretty cool. I'm happy about that. And my solar motion light is working great. So anything that can be carried away is, I've got a 30-foot chain, a rope chain that goes through everything and that can lock up so nothing walks away. So yeah, I really like my security light. And solar is awesome. Not only is my bike locked up, but I've removed the front tire, so they would actually literally have to drag this away if they wanted to steal it. Not to mention, anytime this motion light goes on, my bedroom's in the back, it reflects off the solar and lights up my whole bedroom, so I can see it inside when someone's going by. There is a fire with live music up on the hill over there. I'm probably gonna go check that out and see what's going on. But I wanna thank y'all for hanging out with me, and hopefully I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay safe everyone, and onward bound. Love y'all out there. Mwah. Bye.
But just call, tell you I need you, baby.